Alright everyone, today we're working on this kind of like a little go-kart. I've already fixed some of the things like the seat, because now it's in the bracket, it's nice and solid, it's not going anywhere. But what we're going to do today is this carburetor and the linkage is kind of, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's a little messed up with the governor and stuff like that. The way it moves, it doesn't move in the right direction, I don't believe. So what I did was I went and ordered the carburetor that should go, and it's going to make it go the opposite way. When the butterfly is open, the governor should go this way. So I'm going to try that. Also, this doesn't have an air cleaner, so what I did was I went online and got this from Amazon of all places, but it came regular post. But if I take it out here, what you'll notice is just the cover, okay, with the air cleaner included. So this should be pretty good. We'll see how this goes together, okay? But this was together. There were about, I don't know, I think I spent about 25 bucks, but to have it all situated, I think that's the way to go. So follow along as we go ahead and do this repair. But first thing we're going to have to do is take apart the old stuff, okay? So we'll put the camera right here, so hopefully you can see. All right, there we go. And I'm going to use a speed wrench, and I'm going to just, these should be about 10 mil, so I'm going to just take those off. Just like that, okay. 2 bolts should take the, all of it. The linkage just pops right off for the governor. And the only thing I have to disconnect is the fuel line. And that cover will come off like so. And then I just got to get a pair of pliers for the fuel line. I don't see why. And just squeeze the fuel line. Now, this one has a fuel on and off, which is kind of nice, okay? So, and hopefully, I think with the fuel tank being so high up, it should fit. So I'm going to put that on first, okay? And with the fuel line coming off here, we'll see. Alright, so we're probably going to have a little bit of leakage before I throw it on here. So let's see how it goes, okay? And it's going to come straight off. I'm fighting with it. Let's just give it a little twist. There we go. And then I think that should make it come off. There's fuel in here, so I know I'm going to be leaking, so give me a second here as I get this off. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to get it out from under here, and I'm going to put it into the fuel bowl. There we go. Oops, a daisy. That's totally a different size. I'm leaking like a sieve. Let's see. Nope, that's not going to work. That's totally different size fuel. Okay, I'm going to have to go get a different fuel line, okay? And I'm going to have to get a different size fuel line. Okay, let's come back. So the old carburetor is just going to slide right off. There it is. And you'll notice that this actually works in similar fashion, but it actually, when the governor goes forward, it actually closes, so it's actually reverse of this one. So this actually looks a little bigger too, so we'll see. I got new gaskets and everything, so we're going to utilize whatever we get, okay? So there's a new gasket. I'm going to take this off and put the new gasket there, okay? Okay, let's see. Let's find the gasket that fits that piece right there. Alright, looks like it's one of these. Let's see, which circuit? Is it this one? I don't know. Nope. Maybe it's this one. I think it's this one. I think it's this one. Yep, that's the one right there. Alright, so we're going to put that there. And this one also didn't have a choke, but this one will have a choke, so we're going to put that right there like so. Gonna put that there. And This one will have a choke when I'm done with it. Alrighty, and then we're going to then put this filter, nope, I'm going to use the other one. Yep. This one right here goes right here, like so. Alright, and then we're going to put the housing here. This housing, and then the PVC will be there, but I gotta get a PVC hose. I don't have one right now, but that's gonna go right there. And this has got a nice big fat turnbuckle on the top to undo the housing cap. And then this should just go right in here like this. Okay, and then it should just go there and it'll be good. Okay, except for the studs aren't long enough. Interesting, the studs are not long enough. Okay, but that will also hold, this bucket will also hold my choke in place, okay, when it's like that. And so this piece right here, once it's in here, will also hold that unit from coming loose, you know, during motion. So that's the other problem. I guess I got some issues right there we'll have to work out, because I got, you know. Alright, so I guess we might have to continue this later, because my air cleaner will not fit. Because I got a new air cleaner like this one that I'm going to put right on top of here, and then put that cap on it. Okay, and there have been some complaints on the reviews that says that the air cleaner just does not fit that, but it does fit okay, you know, and it seals, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. Okay, so the air cleaner I think looks okay, but I gotta increase the stud lengths, because the studs are too short, and we're gonna go there. So yeah, let me work on that. All right, so we'll come back. Okay, thank you.